Hi, my name's Josh from J Dick Excavations. So we do mostly drainage on houses, sewer, bit of civil, a bit of turf prep, everything like that. And we're based from the Sunshine Coast down to Brisbane and everything in between. Yeah, I've just purchased this VIO 35-7, bit of an upgrade compared to the -6. The -7's a little bit more spacious inside. It's a lot more comfier. The tracks are wider, all creature comforts inside and out. New screen, aircon, which is great because we're coming into summer. And put this new hitch on. I'm enjoying it. And yeah, new bucket. Playing around with that as well. Yeah, so we got the new dual auxiliaries up there. Yeah, which doesn't take away from me using my quick hitch. I can put a breaker on and then tilt it, use it. It becomes handy. Put a rock grab on, that's handy as well. But I don't have to hook up hoses anymore, which is bloody great. That's handy. It can go 180 degrees from left to right. Do anything I need to. It's awesome.